Aware ako kung gaano kahirap mag-take ng public transpo o mag-commute sa Pilipinas. Mapa-tricycle, bus, jeep at train, na-experience natin yan. Kaya naman, every time I travel abroad, hindi natin maiwasang ikumpara ang sitwasyon sa Pilipinas. And this time nga, yung sa Taiwan naman ang share natin. Good day! This is Chan of Chan Limited Life for today. Papakita natin ng 7 things I like or even love in Taiwan public transportation. Base ito sa Taiwan trip natin noong 2020 at 2023. Pero bago natin simulan mga ka-Chanli, eto muna!
Let's go!
Taiwan is one of the best places to visit if you want to try wide selection of street food. As in madamit masarap talaga. Explore iconic memorials, temples and buildings. And experience its charming popular old villages and culture. Pero just like other trips, the experience will not be as good and satisfying kung ang public transportation ay hindi maayos. Public transpo in Taiwan is on par with Hong Kong and Singapore. Some will say Hong Kong and Singapore is better, pero one thing is for sure, hindi nagkakalayo ang experience and efficiency nila. Anyways, simulan na natin. 7 things I like or even love in Taiwan public transportation. Number 1. Airport MRT. Isa ito sa mga wishlist ko sa Pilipinas, ang magkaroon ng train system na magkoconnect from NAIA to major transport hubs like PITX, MRT, LRT, SRIT, Cubao, Alabang, and others. I understand meron ng NAIA Expressway ngayon, pero may times na maiipit ka pa rin dito sa traffic. Dagdag stress yan, lalo na kung naghahabol ka ng flight. Sa Taiwan, merong airport MRT na nagkoconnect sa Taoyuan Airport at Taipei Main Station. Dalawa yung trains na pwede mong sakyan, ang blue o commuter train na will stop at all locations. Kaya mas matagal ng konti ang biyahe dito. At ang purple o express train na 2 beses lang titigil bago huminto sa Taipei Main Station. Aabutin ka lamang ng more or less 37 minutes kung mag-express train ka. That's a distance of more than 40 kilometers. It's like Alabang to Novaliches in just 37 minutes. Very convenient din ang airport train kahit may dala ka pang maleta. Dahil merong luggage racks ang bawat bago nito. Also, tansyado natin ang oras papunta at pabalik sa airport. Very refreshing and assuring na darating ka on time. Less stress, ika nga. Number 2. EasyCard. EasyCard is a contactless reloadable smart card in Taiwan that can be used to ride trains, buses, ferries, public bikes, and more. May discount ang pamasahe kapag gumamit ka ng EasyCard kumpara sa single journey ticket. Pwede rin gamitin ang EasyCard sa mga convenience stores as well as some department stores, supermarkets, parking lots, and tourist attractions. Basically, this card can be used almost everywhere in Taiwan and can be easily reloaded sa mga convenience stores. It's like a beep card sa Pilipinas pero mas widely accepted and used. Kaya, if you will travel sa Taiwan, I highly encourage na you get an EasyCard para mas mabilis and convenient ang pag-commute and shopping nyo. Number 3. PWD and elderly friendly. Merong priority seats for elderly, pregnant, and PWDs. Kulay dark blue ito kaya madaling ma-differentiate sa regular train seats. Nakapwesto rin ito malapit sa pintuan para mas madali ang pagpasok at paglabas sa bagon. Priority seats are respected in Taiwan. Walang nagtutulog-tulugan sa priority seats. In fact, if elders can stand, they will. They reserve the priority seats sa mga needy talaga. Madalas, bakante pa nga ito kahit punuan na sa loob. Speaking of PWD, Taiwan is an excellent place for wheelchair-accessible travel. Sa katunayan, they introduced the concept of obstacle-free facilities na will greatly help PWDs to navigate smoothly. Also, pinapractice dito ang tamang pagpila. May mga signs sa platform na pwedeng sundan para makita ang tamang pwesto at direction ng pila. Before we continue, kung may tanong kayo tungkol sa content natin today, paki-post lang sa comment section ng video na to. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang mag-like and subscribe sa ating Cha Limited Life YouTube channel, TikTok at Facebook page para ma-notify ka sa mga updates. Number 4. Strategic Entrance and Exit. Merong 131 stations ang Taipei Metro na kombinasyon ng underground, elevated, and at-grade stations. And mostly, kada stations ay merong 2 or more entrances and exits na strategically located for convenience. Meaning, hindi limited ang options or locations pag mag-train ka, very accessible kumbaga. Di mo na need makipagpatintero sa major roads o maglakad ng malayo para lang makapunta sa pinakamalapit na station. Make sure lang na i-familiarize mo ang tamang exit na pupuntahan mo kasi malayo-layo rin ang balik in case magkamali ka ng labas. Number 5. Reliable transportation. Ilang beses na rin ako nakarating sa Taiwan and I can say na reliable ang trains and buses nila. Base sa experience ko, on time naman ito dumarating at umaalis. Hindi ko pa na-experience na magka-delay o aberya. Makikita mo rin ilang minuto pa bago makarating ang next train, kaya matatansya mo na maayos ang travel at arrival time. Mandarin and English characters na naka-flash sa screen and signages, kaya both tourists and locals can understand. Color coding din ang kada linya ng tren kaya madali lang intindihin at sundan. Madalas din ang pagdating ng tren, kaya mas madaming commuter ang na-accommodate ito. Hindi rin sobrang daming tao sa mga platforms during peak hours dahil na rin siguro sa frequency ng biyahe. Disiplinado rin sila sa escalator. They stand still sa right side of the escalator and leave the left side free sa mga gustong maunang maglakad. Number 6. Taipei City Mall. Taipei City Mall is an underground market with hundreds of shops to choose from. It is directly connected to Taipei Main Station through a subterranean passageway. Merong 3 main sections ang Taipei City Mall, ang clothing, electronics, and food. 1-minute walk lang ito from Exit 1 north ng Taipei Main Station, baba ka lang ng escalator tas follow the signages. Very convenient ito in case gusto mong mamili o kumain na di ka nalalayo sa Taipei Main Station. Number 7. U-Bike. U-Bike provides bike rental services in major cities of Taiwan. It offers an alternative method of getting around without using public transportation. This is so cool kasi di mo na need bumili ng bisikleta, you can rent na lang using your EC card, tas balik mo lang sa nearest station with an empty dock. U-Bike encourages active and healthy lifestyle. It also reflects the values ng mga tao sa Taiwan. Imagine having this in the Philippines. Sa totoo lang, nakakainggit ang public transport sa ilang major nations and cities na kalapit ng Pilipinas. Kabilang na nga dyan ang sa Taiwan. It is efficient, reliable, and cheap. It is so good na magdadalawang isip kang kumuha ng kotse to travel around, which for me is not bad. Sino ba naman ang pipiliing maipit sa traffic several hours a day? Sana talaga, dumating rin tayo sa ganyan. Kahit yung airport train lang muna, oh. Ayun lang. I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Thank you for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cha Limited Life, and follow my other social media accounts for more related content. Hanggang sa susunod mga ka-chanli. Drive safely. Ingat!